Hi friends, the first video that I have uploaded in this new year was on the importance of forgiveness prayer. I strongly believe the key to happiness is forgiveness. When you forgive, you release the burden of the past and you become as light and receptive to the moment as a feather to the wind. And for those who haven't yet seen the video, I will put the link in the I button and I will also share the link in the description below. To begin anything new with lightness in your heart and soul, this 33-day forgiveness practice is miraculous. If you haven't received it, you can ask me in the comment below for the shorter version of the forgiveness. The second week, I shared a video on how to create your intention and how to create resolutions. Today we are almost in the third week and I am here to share the most powerful tool so that you can retain your resolution, you can have the happiness, abundance, love and everything your heart desire. I am Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer, author and a therapist. Most of us have started this year with goals and resolution. We want to achieve a goal and probably for that we have maintained weekly or monthly planner. Research says that 80% give up on their dreams by the end of January. How many times you tell yourself that this is going to be a different year? But this is a pattern most of us follow every year, year after year. How many times have you started the diet or gym on the 1st of January and said that this is my year and I am going to start this year strong? Maybe 2 years back you had the same thing in mind. Last year you said the same thing, isn't it? And now we are in the third week of this new year and my question to you is, are you still going strong? Do you wish to be strong and really want to make this year different? My intention here is to be your coach and guide you continuously to maintain a momentum throughout 2021. It does not matter how many good videos you watch or how many courses you buy. What matters is what are you going to do now? Today we will know how to maintain your resolution, how to maintain your dream, how to manifest your dream, how to attract the themes what your heart desire. Today you make a decision that you aren't going to live the life like everybody else. You are not going to live how they live. So let's begin and let's win today. What is your intention for the year 2021? Just take 2 minutes to write down in the comment. What do you wish to manifest in 2021? You can now pause this video and write your intention. Great. All those who have written, congratulations. Those yet to write, or probably they are thinking in the mind and feels that it is okay if I don't write. I think you should stop the video, go back to your work, because just thinking in your mind is definitely not going to help you out. You are wasting your time. Now continuing with those who have written their intention for the year 2021. Congratulations once again. Stay till the end of this video for a powerful I am prayer to help you align well with your heart desire. So the first thing which is very important in order to experience and attract happiness is state your intention by clearly writing it. Write down in your diary, write down in your journal, probably write it in more than one places. Write down on stick-on notes and place it everywhere, which will keep you reminding that this year you want to fulfill your desire. And before we proceed ahead, let me ask you, is this the intention, the same intention as the previous year? Most of the people always have same intention. I want to make X amount of money. I want to improve my health. I want to start walking. I want to write and publish a book. I want to complete my education. I want to lose weight. And the list goes on and on and on. And it's the same year after year. We keep on repeating the same goals again and again. For all those who are not able to fulfill their intention and need a push, I have created a WhatsApp free group on WhatsApp where I coach them to fulfill their dreams, how to create and maintain the monthly planner, and how to stay committed and focused with the momentum. My secret that will transform your life is based on Rumi's belief. Rumi says, "When I run after what I think I want, my days are a furnace of stress and anxiety. If I sit in my own place of patience, what I need flows to me and without pain." From this I understand that what I want also wants me. It is looking for me and attracting me. This is a great secret here for anyone who can grasp it. Do you want to learn my secret of success, where you work less and achieve more? So the first secret to bringing your heart desire is to write down your intention. The second secret is, when you are writing down your intention, identify whether this intention is coming from your head or is it coming from your heart. Most of the time when we write what we want to achieve is coming from the head, which says, "I want to enjoy holidays abroad because all my friends are going every year." This is a head intention coming from your logical mind and competition. Your heart intention for the same desire could be, "I would love to see the beautiful creation of God around the world." Another desire, "I want to lose weight because I want to look pretty. I have fear of being judged, rejected, or I have hard time loving and accepting myself." These are head intention which does not get fulfilled or help us in any way. Your heart intention would be, "I'm fit, I'm flexible, I'm strong, I'm healthy in my body, I'm beautiful inside and radiant outside." Similarly, in the areas of finances, you want to make money so you can compete with other people, or you can buy an expensive car just to show off to people. This is head based. For heart based personalized financial intention, contact me on WhatsApp and the detail will be given in the description below. So yes, once you have written down, it is easy. You can identify whether it's head based or whether it is heart based. Once it is heart based, the third secret is, do you believe you will be able to attract this? This is the most fundamental thing in manifesting your heart desire. Believe in yourself. If you don't believe in what you are expecting, why would the universe believe that you can fulfill your desire? Let me explain with the help of a small story. There was a small village where there were two boys who were great friends and they spent most of the time together. One was 8 years old and another was 12 years old. One day while playing, they went little far away from the village into a distant farm. Nobody was around and they were busy enjoying themselves playing in the farm. While they were running around and exploring, the 12-year-old suddenly fell into a well. He started screaming as he didn't know how to swim and thought that he would drown and die. The younger boy panicked, got scared, looked around for help, but there was no one around to help them out. So he started looking here and there. How can he help his friend? How can he save his friend's life? He saw there was a bucket lying little away tied to a rope. Without wasting any time, he ran and brought the bucket and threw the bucket into the well, and he asked his friend to hold the bucket. And then he started pulling up the rope. Slowly and gradually, after a lot of effort, he was able to pull out his friend out of the well. They were very happy and they cheered each other and ran quickly towards their home. When they reached their families and village, they told about the event that had happened. Nobody believed them. Everybody felt he was too young to lift a bucket and save his friend. And yes, I think even you are thinking the same, that how can a small boy pull out someone who is older than him? Well, none of the villagers believed the small boy can pull out his friend. But there was in this village a wise old man who believed them. Villagers could not trust, so they asked this old wise man, how could it be possible? The old wise man laughed and said, it's simple. The boy is already telling you how he did it. He threw the bucket inside and pulled the rope to save his friend. What is strange here is how did he manage to gather so much strength? And this was because that time there was nobody around him to tell him that he could not do it. Even he himself was not in a position to think so. He added that the only one who can empower you is yourself. In fact, you can do it if you think you can do it. The villagers realized that how important it is to believe in yourself. So do you believe in yourself that you can also manifest happiness, abundance, your heart's desire, love you deserve? You can fulfill your resolution. So believe in yourself is the third secret. And the final secret is act daily upon your desire. Do one thing you wish to attract, and then when you wake up tomorrow, you could do the same thing, and you wake up on Sunday and you do the same thing. You wake up on Monday and you do the same thing. And when you get to the point where you are winning every day and it is automatic and winning becomes your habit, winning becomes who you are. You are stronger and stronger and you are determined. You are on your way to succeed. You are better than before and achieving your dreams as reality. Your waiting is over and you are happy with your achievement. You are proud of your life. So don't sit around and think about it anymore. Take action. Maintain a monthly planner where you can feel achievement. If you are standing still, you are actually going backward. And take action every single day. No matter what, if you want to be successful, be what it is you truly want to be. This is our year. Now it's time for a powerful I am prayer. You may close your eyes and you can place your hands on your heart and listen to it with dedication. I am excited about what today has to offer. I have been putting an effort into my happiness and I am seeing positive changes manifesting. I have made significant improvement and my rewards are abundantly flowing to me. I am proud of where I am and I am excited about where I am going. Today I am celebrating my consistent commitment to my happiness and life is always good to me. Write this down or repeat this for 11 consecutive days and see how your life is manifesting into a wonderful, completely a different life altogether where all your dreams are being manifesting. This and more such powerful prayers shall be shared in the WhatsApp group. Stay tuned for such more pearls of intuition every week to stay on your track and attract your heart desire till the end of 2021. In case if you need personal coaching, you can definitely connect with me. If you wish to join my free WhatsApp group, link will be shared in the description below. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do so today and do not forget to leave a comment on how you are progressing with your heart's desire. Light and fragrance to all of you.